Today I sheared my tie rod off. Yesterday, A-arm bolt came out. My name's Carl Lynn, and today Badger Welder came out and saved my ass from a broken tie rod. Hopefully we can get out of here and get back to the trailers.